Let's be honest, every time I open my closet, I could barely figure out how to put an outfit together. It's not because I don't have much clothes,
Girl, just stop saying that. You are in a desperate need of a shopping spree.
it's because I don't have enough basics. And I'm pretty sure it's not just me. I am not the only one who's having this problem. I'm pretty sure about that. So that's why I came up with this series called as Mill Your Closet, from basic to exquisite. I mean, I buy clothes. I buy expensive clothes. It's just I don't sync them well with my entire wardrobe, so I don't have a pair to wear. For example, I'll have a red bag, but I won't have red shoes or a red belt or anything red. So why did I buy the red bag? The first one is hoodies. Oh my god. Hoodie is almost like your comfort food, that cozy space that you come back to at home. Because why? It has a hood and it also protects you. Plus, if you buy a good hoodie, it has a fleece lining so it's never scratchy and it's so warm and comforting. Everyone should have at least one hoodie. I would personally suggest buying the solid color. I made a dumb mistake and bought pink color. Don't be like me and buy pink color. Instead, go for any of these colors. The one that I'm wearing is from H&M. But these are the other few options that I have scoured the internet for. And in my opinion, there are better options than the H&M one because the fit is just off. Also, hoodie is something that is so versatile. Like, I can wear them with skirts, I can wear them with minis, I can wear them with shorts, I can wear them with pants. Every single bottom that I have goes with a hoodie. That's how amazing it is. Also, pro tip, buy an oversized one. The second one is my favorite. It's crew necks. Yes. Crew necks is almost like your best friend wanting to be your boyfriend, but they don't have a hoodie, so you don't give them as much validation, but they are something that raises your fashion quotient.
Huh?
Also, I would highly suggest buying them in burgundy, navy, and forest green. Because the deeper the color, the better it looks in winter. Remember that. I mean, black everyone buys. Bring some sauce into it. Bring some color into it. Take a hint from Ralph Lauren. Now coming to vests. Now I'm not talking about these vests. I'm talking about these vests. Yes. Vest is almost like your backup guy who's sweet, innocent, intelligent, but sort of looks like your grandfather. But Grandpa Cole is in trend. And not just that, vest literally goes with everything. Crew necks, yes. Shirts, yes. Tops, yes. It goes with everything. So you might as well invest in one. Now, what color should you buy? Open your wardrobe. Which color do you wear the most other than black and white? That's the color you should always select. For example, I'm more so neutral gold, so I wear a lot of brown, so I went for brown color. But these are the few vests that I love. This is not something you should have, but pro tip, you should always have a black cardigan because it goes with everything. You can use them in summers, you can use them in monsoons, you can use them in winters. It's a great layering piece, so you should always have like a black cardigan. Now, fourth one, jackets. I would highly suggest go for a leather jacket. Yes, instead of fleece or something else that you may or may not use, go for a leather jacket. Because it's a fashion caution, at the same time it keeps you protected and it looks so chic. Now you can go for a blazer type, a bomber jacket or something different altogether. I personally love how it looks when it's made like a blazer, so I went for a blazer style. I also want to buy a bomber jacket, could find anything that was good enough in my price range. Now this is going to be slightly expensive. These are the few options. Also, do not cheap out on them. You only have to buy one and it will last you for like half a decade or more than that. Fifth, knits. Now knits is where you're supposed to show your fashion quotient, show how fashionable you are, show the color side of winters, because nobody said that you gotta look like this in winters. You can also look like this in winters. Absolutely. That's why I got a green knit, a pink knit, a red knit, a blue knit. Why? Because I like to have some color in my wardrobe, and the best way to add color in your winter wardrobe is getting cute knits. Also, a pro tip, if you want to get cheaper, less scratchy ones, go to a thrift store, because since it's already used, it's not very scratchy and it's also cheap. 6. Trench coats and puffers. I don't own a trench coat, nor do I own a puffer, because I live in Gujarat and the places I travel to doesn't particularly need me to have a trench coat or puffer. Now, if you live in north of India, you probably might end up using it, or if you work in corporates, you would need like a trench coat. So I would suggest go for corporate colors like whites, beige, light blues, dark blues. These are your colors. For puffers, I don't have again much idea about it. I'll keep finding on internet. If I come across a video that explains buffers to you very nicely, I'll link it down below. Seventh is zip ups. I am not someone who likes zip up, but I also think that they are the most practical thing. For example, if I have to go out for 10 minutes, I don't want to dirty my jacket, nor do I want to dirty my knits. So what should I wear? A zip up. If I want to roam around the house, I don't want to be sitting on my bed and I don't want to use a shawl, I'm definitely going to use a zip up. So I would suggest just buy a black zip up. Also, it's going to be a great layering piece. You can. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, this is just a series that I've started where I put out an episode every single Tuesday.
Can you see the confidence on my freaking face? And at the end of the day, I'll still upload it 5 days later, which is on Sunday. Because there's one thing I'm extremely good at. That is fucking time management. Fucking with time management.
This time I'm late and I'm posting on Wednesday, but it's the first one. But let me know which one you want me to make next, and we'll work on that. That's it. I hope you guys have fun. Cheers. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe.